Chakra, hola, how you doing? Thanks for the greeting. Yeah, so I just wanted to hop on back real quick to show you guys that this is what you do to make your sorrel wine. So 2 more minutes, then I'm gonna cover off the stove. I will put on the lid and I'll let it sit overnight. And mid-afternoon, I'll add a bit of brown sugar just to put a little bit of sweetness to it. If you're having it for herbal purposes, no sugar needed. Don't add any sugar. The ginger is very rich, very potent, as well as the sorrel. So when you just have those two combined, you get a perfect blend. So you don't need to add sugar if you're having for health purposes. But if you're just doing it like I'm doing it, because it's the perfect drink for celebrating, then you add a bit of sugar. A lot of people use white sugar, but no. I grew up with my grandma using cane sugar to sweeten the sorrel, and she didn't use a lot, so I also don't use a lot. And I find you get a great flavor. And that's all there is to it. So not a minute and a half to go, and then I'm gonna power off this stove.